Is your external component the CUDA RT6480 DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish NVIDIA links. Before we start the CUDA RT6480 configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the CUDA RT6480, the NVIDIA CUDA Runtime v8.0. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for GPU-accelerated computing. It manages the data link between the application and NVIDIA hardware manifests for parallel processing tasks. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. cudart64-80 is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with CUDA RT64-80. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Remember that CUDA RT64-80 DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on CUDA RT64-80. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored CUDA RT64-80 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.